We're creating a dashboard here. So we have a dashboard of salespeople and their sales numbers, and we're using this transpose. But let's suppose we want to add a gap between each of these. So we're just going to go over here, take our sellers, transpose that over here. We have each of the names here. We want to add a gap. We don't want to change our data. If we insert row above, look, we can absolutely do it. But this means our data is going to be really wonky. We want to keep our data the same, and our transposed list, we want to add a gap between it. So we do actually want to add here some kind of gap right there. But you see, Ralph is in the way there. So how do we do that without having to mess with our data? I'll show you right now. Around our transpose, we're going to wrap a join. This join will have a character that we haven't used in our text. I'm going to use this pipe character, and we're going to join everything. Now, when we do this, you'll see everything is together. Now, if we wrap split around it, we're going to take that text and use the same delimiter. We're back in the exact same place we were. We only need to add one thing, a space and another pipe here to our join so that the split adds a gap. And there we go. Now we have a gap. We can do this also with transpose. We're going to join. The delimiter is 2 pipes, and we're going to wrap split around that with 1 pipe. And now we have our gap. So we can take the C, E, and G column and make them all the same, and now we have a nice dashboard that we can do a little bit more design around each of these. Hope that was fun for you to add a column between transpose list, and hope it's useful for your dashboards.